Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly the review of the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E5. The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E5 is a feature-packed cleaning device with several capabilities that make it suitable for various cleaning tasks. Its use is especially in households with pets. It boasts a 2000 PA suction power with 3 levels for cleaning different types of debris such as hair and dust. This vacuum's intelligent path planning with zigzag cleaning ensures efficient coverage without missing spots. It also offers effective obstacle avoidance, making it adept at navigating around furniture and avoiding drops. A standout feature is its 400 ml dustbin, which allows for longer cleaning sessions without frequent emptying. The assistant is controlled via the Mi Home app or through voice commands using Alexa or Google Assistant. Its purpose is to provide convenience for users looking to automate their cleaning schedules. With a 2600 mAh battery, the vacuum delivers up to 110 minutes of runtime on standard settings. This makes it a reliable option for both small and large spaces. Its compact design, measuring 70mm in height, allows it to clean under low furniture easily. In my opinion, the Xiaomi E5 is a solid choice for a mid-range robotic vacuum, especially for pet owners or those looking for an easy-to-use, smart-controlled vacuum. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.